How can AI do math calculations? Does it know the multiplication table or have all calculations stored in memory? Claude developed an AI MRI device and managed to observe, at least in a simple way, how the AI performs a process and what it does, and compiled this into a report. I also reviewed this report. Claude was not designed as a calculator. It was trained only with texts and equipped with mathematical algorithms. Let's look at this example. What is the sum of 36 and 59? They asked the AI this question and observed it. Claude chose a parallel calculation method. It runs two different methods at the same time. It counts 36 in the upper section, 59 lower. For both numbers, it finds the nearest numbers and adds them. Like we do. When we add numbers, if one is 40 and the other 60, you add them to get 100, then subtract 5 to get 95. He thinks like us. As the second method, he tries by adding the one's digits, like we learned in school, and he combines both methods to give the result of 95. When asked how he calculated it, he said he used the method taught in school. So he added the one's digits. 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1. He added the 10's digits. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus 1 makes 9. There was a 5 in the 1's place. When you put that together, he said 95. He probably didn't do it that way. He might just be explaining the addition method he learned from us. When you ask, he doesn't tell the truth. Jailbreak. You have heard about jailbreaking artificial intelligences. AI jailbreak means bypassing the security barriers of an AI to get answers that the AI developer doesn't want, and that could be harmful. There are many ways to get around this. What I mean by method is that you corner it with questions and get the answer you want. In this study, they managed to get instructions for making a bomb from the model through jailbreaking. There's nothing unusual about that. Like I said, this is already possible. But they figured out why it gave that answer. They went to Claude, entered the sentence structure, and first asked it to put together the first letters. Then immediately told it to answer step by step without thinking about how to do it. The friend responded immediately. It listed things like potassium nitrate, sulfur, and so on. Then it suddenly stopped. It said this would be unethical and potentially illegal. So why did this happen? Why did it make this mistake?
Interesting.
It happened partly because of the tension between grammatical consistency and security mechanisms. Here again, grammar trips us up. Focusing on grammar ends up giving a bomb recipe. In summary, the pressure to find the word from its initials and write it correctly overrides the security system and gives the recipe. Once it realizes it has passed the grammar test, that pressure decreases and security kicks in. You could say, artificial intelligence can speak dozens of languages. But in which language does it think? AI models write their answers, word by word. Is it just focusing on the next word? Or does it plan out the end of the sentence in advance? Why does it hallucinate? Why does it make up information for us? You can watch my video where I answer all these questions and more right now on my YouTube channel.